is it's basically those three positions on the victim triangle, and it's an upside down triangle. Let's see. Let me share the screen really quickly with you and show it to you, to those who are looking. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, here we go. Here we go. There we go. Can you see it? Tell me if you can see
Yes,
it.
I
Okay,
can.
so let's pull it up close. Each one of these archetypes have their own lens through which they see the world.
Mm.
And we have them all. The human consciousness holds all three of these defense strategies. It's
Mm.
like, and they come from the universal human core belief that we all share. And that is basically that it shouldn't be like that. It should
Mm.
be different. The basic core belief is that I am not going to be taken care. I'm not safe here.
Mm-hmm.
I am separate from. If you think about the lower face, the downward facing triangle, these are the shadow sides. This is the light side of that yin yang marriage between the two. So, and when they're both together, they create, where is it? The here it is. This here we can you see this?
Oh, beautiful.
So now you've got the diamond.
Yes.
So the three has become four.
Mm.
And so it's the yin yang, it's the polarity, now it's made into oneness. And so these are going to be, so if the victim is the helpless baby, then and what we've got, the opposite of the victim is the co-creator, is the one who
Mm.
absolutely knows that they're the ones creating this reality. It's not, I don't know, I can't help it, I need you to do it because I just can't, I don't, and you need to give it, you're not giving it to me, so it's not me begging someone to create the world I want for me. It's me recognizing that I'm the co-creator.
Mm.
And that is where the seat of the observer consciousness right there. So
So powerful.
so
Mm.
we go into the victim archetype in order to fully learn it. One of the reasons that I know as much as I do now, yes, I've been working with families for 40 years, um, and so yes, I've seen it a lot on the ground. But really, I've learned it most from going into victim myself.
Mm.
The victim archetype has been such a teacher for me and continues to be. Because it's not like you get over and you never do the victim triangle again. It is
Mm.
part of your makeup. You just learn how to use it. You learn how to use it to refine. You learn how to use it to transform that victim into co creator. Well, what would I like instead? What if I
Mm.
didn't believe that I was totally helpless at the mercy of uh, life around me and those around me? What if I believe that this is all it's sort of like, I tell people this all the time. It's like Halloween's coming up, right? And what do we like to do at Halloween? We like to go through haunted houses and scary
Mm.
places. We have it built into as a holiday into our
Mm.
life. Every year we get to freak ourselves out, right?
I
It
love
is
that.
in the human psyche. Yeah, and we might be standing in the line to get in the carrier that's going to take us through those dark things, or where skeletons will unexpectedly jump up in front of you and something will slap you in the head, and all those things will happen. And we're talking about how scared we're going to be, and we would not get out of that line for the world.
Yes. Wow, I love that. Mm-hmm.
And this is what we're doing here on planet
Mm-hmm.
Earth. We're having the ride, we're having the
Mm.
adventure we came to have. We did not come here. We are not wusses. We did not come here to arrive at this place where we just live right there forevermore. We've arrived, and the world is giving it to us, and it's somebody else. No, we're here to wake up and recognize the co-creators that we are.
Mm.
And so that's what the lower, and so the upper is the recognition of that, and then out of that there is a balance. Because another way to look at this triangle is as a fulcrum. the victim being the fulcrum for the two archetypes, the two extremes, the bully or the rescuer, the two opposites. So really what you're doing is by playing that out in consciousness or playing that out in consciousness, you actually transform it.
It's
You
a real alchemy,
transform it.
isn't it?
It is absolute alchemy. It becomes this star of integration.
Oh my
It becomes,
goodness. This is so
yeah,
yummy. It's so yummy. Do you want me to turn off screen share again?
yeah,
I'm
yeah.
checking before you in
Thank you.
case there was something else you wanted to share, but
No,
that
I
was
think
just
that's good. I
amazing.
think that's that's the one to end it on. And you see that self in the middle, the lotus
Oh,
with the
sorry.
self.
Yes, it's so
That is
beautiful.
that is not the either or. It's not now I've gotten rid of the bad and I'm only the good. No, I'm a fabric that has been finely created and by my consciousness with awareness that I'm the one doing it. Not to say,
Yes.
oh, this is just self blame. This is just beat yourself up, victim bash, or victim bash, bash others who are. No, it's about understanding this is a path of enlightenment, of awakening, of remembering who we are. And that's what it has turned into me after 40 years of working with this model.
Wow.